We're just grouting up this subway tile. It's a wavy tile, so it's a pain in the ass to grout. But what you got to do is just push it in and try and get off as much as you can as you go. So you're pushing it in. Take off as much as you can. Missed a couple of crosses there. Wipe off the excess as you go. Watch how I do it with a grout stick, everyone. To get my lines nice, I had a bit of a wipe up the top there, and I tell you what, you can't get your lines beautiful if you just try and wipe them off. It doesn't work. But when you use a grout stick, it's a no-brainer. And the grout stick is the old faithful ice cream stick. I use these suckers for everything. Silicone, doing my grout. But I've been doing a lot of 6x3 white. If you've been watching the videos, that's all you've seen for a little while. Well, now we're doing something different. So lean in and keep watching, everyone, because you will learn. If you notice, I'm not going too far in front of myself. A little bit of glue I just noticed. Don't go too far in front. You'll get into trouble because your grout will start drying. So I'm giving it a quick wipe. To get the first lot of excess off. And that's where a lot of DIYs come unstuck. They think that's good enough when they do subway tiles, but what makes it, and I'll show you in a sec. A lot of people will wipe it off like that. They'll wipe the face clean. Like that. And the grout line is super uneven. But they think, oh, no, that's it, it's wiped off. And I can show you unevenness through here. Now a handyman has done that, and see how it's ended up. It's the face is clean, but those grout lines are shit. Whoever did that, we're having a go, and good on them. But with a subway tile or any tile, a good grout line is the key. And yes, it's slower. And yes, it's a pain in the ass. But for your final look, I'll show you soon. I've got to tidy up that corner before I silicone it. I haven't done the grout properly. It's another beautiful day. A little bit too hot to be tiling, but hey. That's all you do. DIY. To get an absolute brilliant tiling job. Is it easy? Yeah, it's easy to do. You just got to have patience. Then you're able to give it a nice wipe off. You just touch anything up with your finger. That's that multi-tool again. That was something in the grout. No biggie. Okay everyone, that, once I reach the top, that's your finished wall. And it's nice. Grouting just makes it, I've got to wipe up there yet and then wipe down there, but I'll do the final finish once I've grouted that a bit more. Okay, we'll see you soon when I'm onto this wall.